지내던 친구에게서 전화가 오네. 내일이면 멀리 떠나간다고.
Traveling to Taipei, Taiwan is probably one of the best things that have ever happened in my life. My mom used to work here as a domestic helper in her 20s, so growing up, we've already seen a lot of its photos in her old photo book. As a Filipino, it's a really unique experience and it almost feels like traveling into a different world. This is probably the healthiest environment I have ever seen. It's a good balance of advancement and nature, and you just love how they were able to preserve their culture and history. Now, as I end this Taiwan series in my YouTube channel, I'm going to share to you another unique experience, which is my solo travel in Tamsui, Taiwan.
좁은 골목길에
Nandito ako ngayon sa Tamsui and ewan ko, ugali ko na talaga yung pumunta sa rural areas ng mga countries na pinupuntahan ko. I feel like mas belong kasi yung personality ko sa mga ganito compared sa city life. I mean, maganda naman din sa city pero alam mo yun, you need a breather. Kanina nag-aalangan pa ako if pupunta ba ako dito or hindi, pero buti na lang tinuloy ko. Guys, sana wag kayong ma-weirdan sa akin if nag-English ako in between kasi I don't know if I will be experiencing discrimination here. Di ko naman alam yung ugali nila, pero I'm just really trying to fit in din sometimes kasi mag-isa lang ako ngayon. Pero so far, mababait naman yung mga Taiwanese. So far. You know what I really appreciate about Tamsui is parang 80% ng mga tao dito is seniors, and I think that shows a lot and speaks a lot how healthy their environment is. So, yung una kong pupuntahan is yung old street nila para tumingin ng mga pagkain, and let's see if meron ako maaanap doon.
Ay, takerio.
Sarap, very creamy. Thank you. Xie. Brown crispy niya, pero di ko alam kung anong nasa loob. Naman, pero parang wrapper na maalat na merong konting karne sa loob. Gusto ko nang mag-milk tea. Hindi ba ako nag-breakfast guys, so hopefully makahanap tayo ng breakfast somewhere here. Nadaanan akong ice cream, let's taste. Bili ko pala dito is 30 NTD, so parang 60 pesos sa atin. Mahal na ba yun? So nagrenta lang naman ako ng U-bike dito sa Tamsui, and alam nyo ba, isa to sa mga fantasy ko before kasi ito yung mga bagay na hindi possible sa Pilipinas eh. Like wala tayong public use ng mga bikes eh, dito sobrang accessible ng mga bikes, tapos meron talagang bike lane and a lot of people use bike here.
덜컹거리는 전철을 타고 찾아가는 그 길, 우린 얼마나 많은 것을 잊고 살아가는지. 어릴 적 넓게만 보이던 좁은 폴로
So nandito tayo ngayon sa Fort San Domingo. From the word itself, very Spanish, di ba? Because it turns out that even Taiwan was colonized by the Spanish before. Ito yung isa sa mga naging kuta nila. So hindi lang pala Pilipinas yung na-colonize, even Taiwan. This curry rice. And gutom na ako. Di pa ako nag-lunch. So ito na lang. Para rin siyang curry doon sa Pilipinas, pero ito kasi all veggies. Like yung meat nila is yung pinaka-mushroom na. Mas strong din yung flavor natin doon compared dito. Bumili na rin ako nito. This is worth 80 pesos watermelon.
Transfer station.